2018 Toyota Highlander. If you want to check your cabin filter, change it, this is how you do it. Go to your glove box. Take your things out. There's a damper here on the side. You're going to need to disconnect it. All you got to do is pull on it. Okay. And then you have these stops right here. And you're just going to need to push the glove box past the little stop on both sides. Okay. And the glove box will come down. It'll actually come off its hinges, which is not a big deal. Cabin filter is going to be behind this panel here. You're going to lower it. So then you have the door here with this button. You're going to push this button in and pull it towards you. Same thing on the other side. And the door will just come right off. So there's your filter. Check this one out. See if I need to order one. This one's pretty clean. Super clean. But if you need one, I'll leave a link down in the description box. You can get a new one, and you get your new one just installed in the reverse order. Stick it in there. Rotate the direction. And then get your cover. This clips right back on. Clicks right back on. Grab your glove box. And then all you gotta do is close it. Okay, it'll stay right where it needs to be. Grab the damper over here and just click it right back on. And that's it.